Imagine having enough money to wake up at any time, travel anywhere you wanted, eat very expensive food, buy your parents a house, buy yourself a better car. You know, money just makes us feel safer and just makes us happy. The world is big and there are many opportunities. The greatest opportunities are always hidden, and it is always a blessing to find them. Well, I found a great opportunity and I would love to share it with you today, so you can make extra money for yourself and for your family. This is absolutely free to do, and it is very easy to do. It's available worldwide, so if you're in Africa, America, Asia, South America, Europe, Australia, we can all get access to this opportunity. All you need to do is watch this video all the way to the end, because every single step is important. So don't skip through the video, just watch it all the way to the end so you understand what you need to do so that you can make your money. Now, before I show you this awesome strategy, please subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that red button that says subscribe. It's absolutely free to subscribe. Just click that red button and turn on the notification bell. Just click that bell so that every time I upload my new videos, you'll easily receive a notification. And remember, subscribing is free. You don't have to pay any money to subscribe. So, what you want to go on to is a website called kickbooster.me. So it's kickbooster.me. Now, before you try this out by yourself, I need to explain to you what you need to do. So make sure you watch the video all the way to the end. So basically, when you're over here, don't get too confused. First thing you want to do is that you would like to actually have an account. Now, before you create the account, I need to show you what you actually will be doing. So you want to click here on Marketplace. So basically, Kickbooster is a place where people have different, campaigns, or they have different businesses and they want people to actually fund the business. So for example, if we have this over here, they wanted to raise $10,000. So they realized that they actually were able to get $159,275. So it has exceeded what they were actually looking for. So this campaign over here wanted $100,000 and they were able to get $644,000 for this. So it's basically people that have a business, they have an idea, and they would just like people to contribute money so that they can actually establish their business. So that's all this is all about. For example, here somebody wanted $35,000 and he was able to get $150,321 because his or her idea was really great. So this is what people are doing, and I'm going to show you how you can make money from this. All you will need to do is you will just be promoting people's items, and as you can see, people are actually contributing. So people just are looking for people to contribute money to reach their goals. One mistake I used to do before I actually found out what was really best to do, I used to not care about, for example, somebody wants 15,000 and he was able to get 152,000. I used to see like people who maybe wanted 15,000 and then they had maybe less, like for example they had only gotten 4,000 or 3,000 and they were still on their way to the actual money that they were needing. Then I realized that this was a very long procedure and it was really taking very long for me to actually get money. But when I tried like those who have exceeded the amount they're looking for, I easily get paid. For example, here only wanted $800 and then was able to raise $10,000. So when you promote a campaign like this, you can easily get paid because there's enough money to actually pay you. So that is what you want to do. So in order to actually promote these, what you need to do is you need to create an account. It's absolutely free. So definitely you need to click on sign up over here, which will take you over here. So you have two options. The one is project creator and affiliate marketer. So you want to click on affiliate marketer because you actually want to promote these products. So when you click over here, it's going to take you right here. What is your name? Just put in your name, then put in your email address. Then you can leave this blank, the referral code over here. But if you would like to help me out as well, you can just put in my referral code, which is ADM, and then just put in a password over here. Then you want to click on I have read and agreed to Kick Boosters terms and conditions. Then you can decide to click on this box as well, then click submit. Then you need to confirm your account on your email address. So the message would look something like this. You just want to click confirm account. And when you click confirm account, this will be your dashboard over here. So your account will look like this. And then you want to click on this button over here that says find campaigns to boost in the marketplace. So when you click on that, that is when it's going to take you to the available campaigns that people are actually trying to boost. And there's so many campaigns, and there's so many categories of campaigns. For example, there's in the food, there's beauty, there's games, there's so many. So you just want to make sure it's on all over here so that you can see all the people who are actually looking for money to be raised for their campaigns. So just look for something nice. For example, if we scroll down, here we have the coolest coffee table. So he's looking for $10,000. So he was already raised $200,000. So what you want to do is you will click on boost campaign. So just choose something that you really like. If you find this interesting, you want to click on boost campaign. So you will earn 12% cashback for helping us. So it's 12% commission for every time somebody actually, donates to this coolest coffee table. So you click on help boost our campaign over here. Then it's going to take you over here. Then you're going to get, this is your referral code over here. As you can see, my referral code has ADM over here. So this is mine. So you copy that. So if we paste that in the browser and people actually click on my referral link, I'm going to show you how it would look, and it will take them over here. So they can have a brief look up on what the product is all about. They can decide to scroll down to read all the information about this coffee table, and they can just decide to, just check what it's all about. As you can see, this coffee table, you can plug in, you can charge your phone, there's a mini fridge somewhere, and it's just really cool. And people will just find this interesting, and people would like to just donate. And you get 12% commission for every donation that people are actually going to be making if they use your referral link. So as you can see over here, they've already gotten 201,000, and their goal was only 10,000. So people are exceeding the amounts that they're actually looking for, and it's absolutely great. And they will have enough money to pay you, because the more the better. So that's all I do, just be promoting this and make a lot of money in the background. While you're sleeping, you can just be getting like reasonable amounts of money, and it's really, really great. This is a strategy I have found, and I would just like to share this with you. So you can just decide to just browse. If you find anything interesting that you would like to promote, and you think that people would find this interesting and they would like to just donate, there's really cool things over here. For example, the world's first true wireless power bank for Apple. That's cool. They only tried to raise 40,000, and they were able to get 819,000. So this means that this is actually working really, really well. So you can decide to view the campaign first, so that you can just have a brief look on how it actually looks and what it is all about. I have all the information about it. So this is all about a power. It's a power bank, I think. Yeah, a power bank for Apple. So if you find this interesting and you think that, hey, this is something that people would actually like to, to donate money to, then you can just decide to promote it. And all you would do is you go back and then you click on boost this campaign, as I showed you before. Then okay, you're already boosting this campaign. Yeah, I'm already boosting this campaign. So let me give you another example with a different product. Let's see. So you actually get the picture of what I'm talking about. It's very, very simple to do, and I'm going to show you how you're going to get people to actually donate. It's very easy. It's really, really easy. A gas mask you can wear every day. Kitty Spring, the most cat-friendly water fountain on earth. So this looks cool. They only wanted $10,000. They were able to get $840,000. I mean, like, that's cool. So I would like to boost that because I know there are a lot of cat lovers around the world. People love cats and people love dogs. So a lot of people who love cats would like this. They want their cats to drink water from a reasonable source. It just looks very fancy. Look at this fountain over here. The cat looks happy. Then you get 10% commission of every dollar you help raise. That, guys, there's a lot of money to be made. I won't lie to you. This is a lot of money to actually be made. So we would just like to click on help boost our campaign over here so that they can actually give us our referral link. Then this will be our link over here. Then you'll just copy that. So let's just paste that in the browser so that we see how it would actually look. So when people click on your referral link, we want to see what they would see. This is exactly what they would see. So we'll scroll down and, hey, me out there, I'm Alexa Kitty, the healthiest and most hydrated of all cats. My secret is obviously they're talking about this fountain water thing that looks really, really cool. And a lot of cat lovers would like to donate something to this because it just looks really cool. As you can see, they only wanted, like, I think it was $10,000 and they were able to get $840,000. So this is something that you should actually take advantage of and make money. So for example, now that we have our link, then you would want to go onto Facebook and you would want to search something. For example, with the that cat product we just found, you want to search something like cat lovers. Then you want to make sure that it's on groups over here. Make sure that it's on groups. So we have cat lovers over here. There's 126,000 members over here. Cat lovers over here. There's 140,000 members over here. Cat for Love, 342,000 members. Love Cats, 236,000 members. So you have a potential of reaching out to 342,000 people who would like to be interested in actually donating to that cat, this cat product, because they all love cats. And every donation, I mean, even if they just donate $10 and let's say 3,000 people donate $10, you get 10% of $10, which is what? Is it not $1? Okay, $1 times 3,000 people, that's $3,000 for not doing anything. And it's a lot of money. I mean, all you did was just boost a certain campaign, posted it on Facebook, and people who love cats would like to donate. $10 is nothing. So if you get like 3,000 people to donate just $10, you can make like $3,000 for yourself. So I hope you understand how it all works and how much money you can actually make from this platform. And yeah, so I hope this helps you. I hope it makes sense to you. It's very easy to do. There's nothing complicated about this, and yeah, I hope this actually helps you. And remember that you actually need to get your money via PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, just create a PayPal account. It's absolutely free to create. And if you don't know how to create a PayPal account, just go and watch one of my videos that explains to you how you create your PayPal account so that you can make your money. So that's about it. Please like the video. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to the AD Money channel if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so that you receive a notification every time I upload my new videos. Thanks again, and cheers.